What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Before we get started, I want to change the art. There's a little gap in my scrapbook paper, and my eye is just drawn to it every time I'm in this room. So let's try a larger piece of art, like maybe one of our DIY dollar store paintings. But I want to add a little touch of blue or teal to it. Someone in the comments said that my nail polish was the exact same color as the couch, and yeah, it kind of is. This is the name of the color, so let's just take a little bit of that polish and add it to the painting. Let's remove the old art from the wall and add the new painting. Let's try that out for a while and see how we like it. While we wait, let's take a look at a few new Barbie Fashionistas showing up online. We've been talking a lot about Barbie basics lately, including the new You Create Barbie basics that come in a $100 kit. Currently, Barbie Fashionistas can be found for about $10 or $11. I paid $10.99 for this doll, which is Barbie Fashionista number 239. On the front, we can see an illustration of the doll. On the side, it says doll, 53% ISCC certified plastic. This looks like the illustration that was used with the Barbie Loves the Ocean line. Yeah, looks about the same. And then there was this one that was on some fashion packs, letting us know that the fabric was made from recycled plastic. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. This doll comes with a cowgirl hat, which is awesome. I'm getting a little Beyonce vibe with this silver sparkly dress. Check out that sparkle. The dress is a V-neck, comes with ruffled sleeves, cutouts on the sides where the fabric is folded and hemmed, and there is a cut fringe at the bottom. This look is paired with white high-heel boots with sculpted fringe, and as mentioned earlier, a matching hat, which in my opinion is a little shallow. It doesn't really hug the doll's head. Here it is next to another Barbie hat, but you know, there's a little price difference. But you can totally see how this hat comes down on the doll's head and is pretty secure. But the one that comes with this Barbie Fashionista kinda just sits on the doll's head. So we have to be a little more careful that it doesn't fall off. This doll has dark brown hair with a little curl at the bottom, a side part, and painted edges. She has brown eyes, a reddish lip color, and is shiny and pixelated. I personally am not a fan of pixelated faces, and I am eagerly awaiting the day when this whole process is abandoned. But something tells me I might be waiting a while. Sorry if I'm complaining, but for real. Since this is a Barbie Fashionista, she has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. She has a standard neck peg and looks like a possible match for the blue tie-dye made to move Barbie, which I just so happen to have right here, ready to go. So let's add the head to the new body, which does seem off just a little, but it's close enough for me. The original doll was on a classic body, so I had no problem getting the outfit and accessories to fit. The dress velcros in the back, and the fabric goes all the way around. Barbie Fashionista number 238 is a petite Barbie with light pink hair, brown eyes, a little bit of pink eyeshadow, and a pink lip color. She comes with a white hair accessory, wears a pink strapless dress. Well, it has clear straps and a large flower decal stitched to the front. It's a flat piece of fabric held in place with 3 stitches. So if you wanted to remove it, I think it would be very easy to do. The pink dress stops mid-thigh, and it velcros in the back. She comes with pink heels. Her hair has a little curl, but might need some attention out of the box. And she's shiny and pixelated. And she looks like a similar skin tone to Barbie Basics Model 1. Barbie or Ken Fashionista number 241 is next. Oh, and here's the other doll's box art. I forgot to show it. This looks like a classic Ken to me. He has molded blonde hair, blue eyes, a neutral lip color, and yes, he is shiny and pixelated. He comes dressed in a red and white collared shirt. It has long sleeves that are hemmed. The collar is white. He wears pink shorts made out of like a t-shirt material and white sneakers with molded socks. And they are split in the back. Here's his neck peg, so he can look from side to side. Can he look up? Not really. Can he look down? No. The arms can move out to the side and forward. The legs can move forward and just a tiny bit out to the side. Y'all, I would have loved if they gave him blue pants and brown shoes. Throw in a pair of black glasses, and we've got a Where's Waldo moment. It's like Where's Waldo bounding because we forgot the hat. Barbie Fashionista number 240 is wearing green. She comes dressed in a green and white two-piece gingham outfit. It's sleeveless with a ruffle around the bottom of the top and a ruffle around the bottom of the skirt. The ruffle does continue all the way around, so yay! And she wears a pair of lavender shoes. She comes with black sunglasses, and she is not shiny and pixelated. Yeah! She has brown hair. It does have a little bit of a wave to it, but might need a little attention out of the box. She has a center part, brown eyes, and a neutral lip color. I think her face is adorable. To me, her head size seems a little larger than the other dolls, and her skin tone seems pretty similar to Aaliyah's. This is a curvy Barbie with the basic 5 points of articulation. The larger head is making me think Disney Descendants, The Rise of Red. I think the sculpt is cute, and I love that she's not pixelated. And the last fashionista for the day is number 237. Hi, Barbie. This doll has blonde hair with the front pulled up in a ponytail, with a black hair accessory that looks like a bow, but it's like a little bracket and they just rubber band it in place. She is shiny and pixelated, with blue eyes, light blue eyeshadow, and a pink lip color. She wears a blue halter bow dress with a blue ribbon that ties behind the neck, a large blue fabric bow in the front, and a bow print on the dress. The pattern goes all the way around and it velcros in the back. The bottom of the dress has a scalloped cut with a raw edge, but there might be just enough fabric to hem it if you like. And she finishes the look with a pair of pale blue heels that have little bows on the front. If I were comparing all the fashionistas, I think this doll came with the best accessory. I will definitely take a hat over a pair of sunglasses or a hair clip. I like Ken's shirt, but I would have loved to have seen the pants instead of the pink shorts. Barbie Fashionistas probably near the top of my faves because she's not pixelated. I think that her outfit is cute. I love that the ruffles go all the way around, but I do think her head is a little large. But then again, it could just be me. When I found the fashionistas, I ran across the Barbie Ballroom dancer. This is a Barbie Careers doll who comes with a trophy and cool hands. Her hands are opened wide so you can see all the fingers separately, which is kind of cool. This doll has brown hair pulled up and curled into a bun. The hair is cut short for the style. She has brown eyes, brown eyeshadow, a fuchsia lip color, wears gold-colored earrings that are not designed to be removed, but can be. We can warm the doll's head to remove them, then trim off the little hook, so they are now easy to remove. This is a petite Barbie with the basic 5 points of articulation. She wears a one-shoulder fuchsia dress. It's shiny. The bottom has a ruffle and it is hemmed. The ruffle goes all the way around and there is no opening in the back. And she wears a pair of gold heels. I really like how the hands are posed on this doll, but I would have loved if they were on wrist so we could swap them out to another doll with more articulation. And yes, we can get the dress on a classic Barbie. It's just a little shorter. And this doll has a similar skin tone to Barbie Fashionista number 238. Out of all the dolls today, let us know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few new Barbie Fashionistas. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram, and we will see you next time.
You can stop.